So this is like my first YouTube video, and I'm making a YouTube video because I wanna just like, I don't know, I just don't have anything else to do, so I'm just gonna make a YouTube channel and just post stuff. And I don't really have a specific date. Like, I'm not gonna like post every Saturday or every Sunday or stuff like that. I'm just gonna post whenever. Like a little surprise. But yeah. So I guess I'll introduce myself since it's my first time. My name's Marie. M-A-R-E with the accent mark over the last E. It's French. I like mindless behavior. I like mindless behavior. I don't know. I like the color black and purple. Yeah, like my two favorite colors. I'm in love with stuffed animals. Like on my bed, there's like dozens. I'm on the bed right now. So there's like dozens of stuffed animals. I don't name them. I'm not that weird. So I like clothes. Music. I like Ed Sheeran. All American Rejects. Sam Smith. Kaylin and Miles. I like a little bit of Taylor Swift, like wasn't this much. A$AP Rocky, 2 Chainz, yeah, just like the basics. Nirvana, Misfits, Sleeping with Sirens. Yeah, that's it for this first YouTube video. So again, my name is Marie. People call me Ray Ray.